Hey folks, welcome back to another Alphabet Options Challenge. In week 31, I made $289 in premiums, and the stock basically did not change. It went from 94.57 to 94.35. So at the end of the day, I was up $200 overall, taking my net gains to 47.22. That's a little bit better than the previous week, but I still need to get up to this yellow line up here, which is the benchmark I'm trying to hit. So if we look at the chart here, I had some puts at 90 and 86 and some calls at 98 and above, and the stock basically finished right there, the bottom of this red candle. So pretty much right in the middle of my strikes. So all of my options expired out of the money. For this week, it is a 4-day week. So Friday ends here on February the 24th. And that's just because yesterday was a holiday. So with a shorter week, I don't expect to make that much in premiums. And looking at the trend, the stock wants to continue falling because the green 9-day EMA has crossed below the blue line. But when I look to the left over here, there is a lot of support around the 90 level. So I think what I'll do this week is maybe sell a couple of puts around 90, so 91, 90. And I'm going to bring my calls down as well because I don't think it's going to go up past this red line over here, which is around 95. So let's take a look at the option chain here. February 24th is 3 days away, and I will do my puts first at 91 and 90. This will give me about $127, but let's go with 128 for now. And on the call side,
Order filled.
oh, there we go. It was just filled. And then on the call side, I mentioned around 95, but I think 96 gives me one standard deviation. So I'm going to start there, and maybe I'll sell a 96, a 98, and a 100. I'm not going to sell 96, 97, 98 just in case the stock rips really high to like 100, and I'll be missing out on some gains. So this should give me about maybe $51 after commission. I'll see if this gets filled at 53 cents. Okay, it looks like Google is continuing to fall, so I'm going to lower this to 47, the mid price, and hopefully these get filled. If it goes up a little bit higher, those orders should get filled.
Order filled.
There we go, so those filled at 48. A little bit better than expected. So I have a 128 and a 48 credit spread minus the commission for today. Gives me 171, which in Canadian dollars is 231, and the IV today for options expiring on Friday is 38%. Okay, so hopefully just like last week, Alphabet finishes somewhere between my calls and my puts, so between 91 and 96, and that's going to be this line over here. If it falls between 90 and 91, I might just close my 91 put, and I'll probably give back $50 or so from the total premiums I earned this week. Because if I buy 100 shares at 91 but not 90, my average cost will not be an even number, so it's going to be harder to track. But if the stock goes down to like 88 or 86, I'm just going to buy these at 91 and 90. And that should lower my average cost down quite a bit from 98 right now to 95. But it is a shorter week, so I don't expect Alphabet to move too much, unless there's some really big unexpected news coming out. But otherwise, we'll have to see what happens. So thanks a lot for tuning in, and I'll talk to you in the next one.